Hello beautiful people. Today I'm gonna scrap this one short piece aluminum cable. I do have a few hundred meters of that cable and I wanna know is it really worth my time. This is how the cable is called. So it's a 4 times 70 square millimeters that aluminum parts here, and 21 square millimeters is that copper. So I'm gonna weigh first how much this single piece is, and we have 587 grams. 587. Right now aluminum cable is about 50 cents per kilo, and let's see how much do we get exactly from that piece. We will get roughly 30 cents. 30 cents. Now, let's scrap that thing or strip. I'm gonna use a carpet knife for that thing, and let's see. Can we cut it open? Okay, came really nicely. Outer insulation. We have some Teflon paper here, or some kind of cloth, I don't know. Oh no, the Teflon paper is down there. We don't need that, and here you can see we can separate the copper really easily. That's not the Teflon paper. Okay, we have some stuff here, and now we have these single insulation aluminum wires. Well, let's put that copper. This is Pelbrite copper. I don't know if that is, but let's assume it is. Wow, 5 grams. Not bad. And we have 81 grams of Pelbrite copper. 81 grams. Okay, we will calculate the price a little bit later. Now let's move on these guys. Right. Well, they are about the same length, so I'm not gonna strip those one, but let's see how much this one weighs. 79 grams. Okay. 79 times 4. And we do have 79 times 4. 316 grams. Was it? Yes. So we have 316 grams. And now let's see. Pure aluminium. This is a pure aluminium, and that one is about 90 cents per kilo. So about 9 times 0.316. Okay, we can get 28 cents. 28 cents just from aluminum, and the whole cable was 30 cents. And copper we have 81 grams, so 0.081 times 6.5 euros per kilo. And wow, 52 cents. 52 cents. And we have about 80 cents. Non-stripped cable 30 cents, and stripped cable 80 cents. Well, it's a quite good profit, and now I know it's really worth to do that, because you can scrap them really easily. I'm gonna make some kind of rig or something where I can put those cables between, so they don't roll, they don't move back and forth, and I can easily cut them with a knife. That comes off really easily. So are these ones. Some kind of rig between. I can put that. I can put those pieces and just cut them open, or I can use my electric powered stripping machine. Well, yeah, not bad. Quite amount of profit, and I'm gonna definitely strip those cables. And probably you wanna see how much do I get out from those cables. Well, it's gonna be a long stripping video. Of course, I'm gonna speed up that video, and yeah. Well, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.